I love the story of the chain, started in the 90s by former firefighter brothers. Why this one? We expected a deal from you for a long time. 3G-backed companies, this is how you've grown through acquisitions. But why this and why now?
Well, we've actually grown tremendously, Sarah. Thanks for having me. We've grown tremendously through unit growth and same-store sales as well. But acquisitions over the last several years have been important with Tim Hortons, Popeyes, and now Firehouse. Firehouse is an awesome brand. We're really excited about the opportunity to partner with them and to see growth continue here in the U.S. We've shared some information this morning when we filed about the growth that they've seen, exponential growth over the last 10, 11 years, taking unit growth from about 400 stores to 1,200 stores in 10 years, a 3x growth. System-wide sales have grown 4x during that same period of time. Unit economics are compelling with 3.5-year paybacks. Franchisees are excited about this business here in the U.S. They've started in the last 5 years to grow in Canada, also in Puerto Rico, and we've seen that business perform really well. So we're really excited about what's in front of us with Firehouse. It's a great brand, differentiated brand positioning that's purpose-driven with the Firehouse Public Safety Foundation. They've given back more than $60 million to communities in which they operate through life-saving equipment that different entities locally with police departments and fire departments use. They have a great team. They have great products that are loved and differentiated from anybody else in the subspace. So it fits really well within what we're doing. And we see that there's a massive opportunity for growth here in the U.S., in Canada, and all around the world.
Well, that's what I was going to ask you, because what the potential here to grow this brand is, especially internationally, as you've done some of your others.
Yeah, I think we have a unique kind of network of master franchisees that have helped us build Burger King, now Popeyes and Tim's. We've seen some real success with Tim Hortons in China, getting to over 300 stores in roughly 2 years. And so we believe that powerful network alongside great brands like BK, Popeyes, and Tim Hortons will allow Firehouse to accelerate growth domestically, as it's already on that course, but also internationally. It's early days. We just inked the deal late last night, about 5 minutes before midnight, and announced it this morning. So we have a lot of work to do, but it's a great team led by Don Fox, and we're looking forward to working with him and the rest of the organization to really continue the journey that they're on and help accelerate it internationally. The other opportunity we see is from a digital standpoint. They've already made some inroads there, but with our investments in technology and the growth we've seen with our business and examples like Tim Hortons in Canada, we think are compelling opportunities for the Firehouse Subs brand and business here in the U.S., Canada, and elsewhere.
And Jose, broadening out a bit, how are supply chains looking at the moment? Meat shortages a thing of the past?
Yeah, Wilford, the situation has been challenging for sure, and we shared some information around performance and some of the challenges in distribution in the Northeast with Popeyes in particular. But we have a great network of suppliers. We have a great network of distributors here in the U.S. and Canada and elsewhere. And so we feel confident long term, and we continue to work with some of the challenges in the near term.
What about sales overall? I have noticed the stock has underperformed, at least this year, Jose. Some of the competitors like McDonald's or Yum Brands. A lot of the analysts point to Burger King U.S. sales. What are you doing to turn it around, and why do you think that's been the case?
Yeah, I shared some updates in our last call on earnings around Burger King, and we're building a great team there. We made some changes from a leadership standpoint, and Tom Curtis is now at the helm. Tom has 35 years of experience in the industry and mostly focused on operations and franchising and really driving digital integration into the business. So we feel really good about the team we're building there. We're focused on near-term working a plan together with our franchisees, and we think we have an opportunity for continued growth with Burger King in the U.S. With Popeyes, we see tremendous runway here in the U.S. and internationally as well. We started to open internationally in the U.K. Very soon, in Mexico just recently. Middle East and other markets have huge potential for growth. And then with Tim Hortons, we're excited about the progress we're making with the Back to Basics plan in Canada. We've got some really exciting news that's been coming down the pike from a development standpoint internationally, and look forward to sharing more as we continue down that journey to grow our brands here domestically and internationally as well.